Welcome back to Marty's Garage. The FJ40 is back from the mechanic. Had the front and rear differential rebuilt, resealed. Also had the gears redone and the transfer case. Still a little bit of electrical problem I'm trying to work through. It's probably going to have to go back and have some electrical looked at. There could be an issue with the alternator being incorrect. But today I noticed that there is a leak in the transfer hose from the gas cap entry into the tank. So we're going to look at replacing that today, and watch me do it. Okay, so the other day I was putting gas in the FJ40 and it started to leak. So I was suspicious that there could be possibly a hose or an issue with the gas tank. After further inspection, I noticed that there was a crack in the neck hose, which if you look real closely, you can see it right down in here. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. It's right in here is where the crack is there. So we're going to take off this hose and replace it. I have a new one that I ordered from Spectrum off-road that showed up yesterday. We'll change it out. There's some mysterious hoses here. I don't know what those are, but we're going to leave them for now. So watch me do it. Okay, so working on getting the neck hose out and replaced. Looks like there's some bolts holding the metal part of the neck hose on. And there's some very small screws here right next to the gas tank entry point. And I'm going to take these 4 screws out, and then hopefully I can get the metal and the rubber part of the neck out. So the project's complete. I replaced the gas tank neck hose. There was also a housing I had to take off, and you have to unbolt that whole mechanism from the outside and slide it back into the car. Relatively easy. Luckily, the part that I ordered from Spectrum Off-Road matched. I just had to trim it down. I'll attach the video. And I'll see you next time on Marty's Garage. Once again, a shout out to our sponsors at Milwaukee Tools. Couldn't have done it without them. And I look forward to seeing you on the next project. Take care.